In essay writing, no matter how great your idea is, without concrete examples to back it up, you won't be able to truly persuade your reader of your point. Let me show you what I mean. Suppose you're trying to convince your readers about the following. Global warming is a real and urgent problem. That would be true, but something is lacking. Let's add a concrete example and see how it changes the picture. Global warming is a real and urgent problem. Just last year, it was responsible for the death of hundreds of thousands of people. Did you see how the concrete example added urgency and made you as a reader want to know more about the problem? That's because concrete examples allow you to show, rather than tell your reader what you're trying to say. It makes your idea clear and specific, which triggers an emotional response from your reader. Here's another example. Suppose you want to persuade people that a new product is really effective. You could write, "The new iPhone has features that are really helpful." That's true, but can we make it more compelling? Right, by adding concrete examples. The new iPhone has features that are really helpful. I am now able to get directions, book a taxi, and find a restaurant all without leaving my app. I've been using it for a week and I've already saved an hour of time. Great! You are no longer just defining your product, you are showing the reader how it has helped you, which makes them want to experience that for themselves. This tells us that adding concrete examples in your essay makes your writing relatable and credible. Let's have a look at one more example. Suppose you're writing about your recent travel experience. You could write, "I had a great time in Thailand. The beaches are stunning." That's nice, but you can do better. "I had a great time in Thailand. The beaches are stunning. I remember one particular beach where the water was crystal clear and the sand was sparkling white. It was just like paradise. I spent hours swimming and sunbathing and I didn't want to leave." You just turn your claim into something personal and meaningful, which makes it more vivid and interesting to read. It made the experience come alive. If you want more help in writing your essay, here's a step-by-step process that will make things easier for you. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can produce a quality, well-written essay by following these steps.